Today we will read about a story of your English Stories Past and Present book of class 8. Before going to the topic, we have to know what are the subjects you have. Let's see. Here is the content. The content of your storybook divided into two parts. In part 1 there are two stories, and part 2 there are also two stories, and in your story also have two tests. In test 1 there are three stories. Today we will read about the story Whose Horse Was It? Before going to the topic, we have to know some words and their short form for better understanding. Okay, see, here there are some words for you and their short form. Okay, the first one is SGP, which means sense group paragraph. The second one is BS, means brainstorming. MT means mental talk. VMDT means visual memory development technique. MCQ means multiple choice question. Okay, student, we will now know about the story, and the story is Whose Horse Was It? Whose Horse Was It? यार अर्थ हूँ घोड़ाटी कहार थिला. ओके, बिफोर reading, let's some question here. See the questions and answer it. What do you see? See here a picture. Who are there? There are two men and a horse. What can be the place? The place can be of a market. Okay, look at the picture and the title of the lesson. Do you think the picture is about the title? Read the story to know. छवि गुड़ी को देख एंड द टाइटल ऑफ द लेसन एवं पाठर शिरोनामा को मध्य देख. डू यू थिंक द पिक्चर इज अबाउट द टाइटल? तुम्हें भावुछ कि पिक्चर छविर किसी संबंध अच्छी यही गपर शिरोनामा सहित. रीड द स्टोरी टू नो. गपटी को पढ़ एवं ताको जानिबा. गपटी को पढ़ी मध्य ताको जानिबा. ओके, SGP 1 means sense group paragraph 1. Here is the text for us. Okay, one day a young man was going to a town on his horse. Near the town gate he saw a beggar. Sir, the beggar cried out, please take me to the market on your horse. I am lame. The kind young man agreed. He put the beggar on the horse. Then he rode to the town. They reached the market. Then the young man said, you can get off here. But I do not want to get off. You get off my horse. I want to go on, said the beggar. Your horse? This is my horse. Your horse? Yes, it is mine. Get up, or else I will take you to the king's officer. All right, let's go to him. Dear students, once again, see, one day a young man was going to a town on his horse. Means here a young man who was going to a town on his horse. He had a horse by which he was going to the town. ଦିନେ ଜଣେ ଯୁବକ ତାର ଘୋଡ଼ାରେ ସହରକୁ ଯାଉଥିଲା. near the town gate he saw a beggar. At the gate of the town the young man saw a beggar. Bhikari. At the town gate the young man who was riding a horse saw a beggar. beggar କହିଲେ ଜାଣିଛ ତୁମମାନେ ଦେଖିଥିବ ଯେ ମନ୍ଦିର ବଡ଼ ବଡ଼ ମନ୍ଦିର ହେଉ ବା ସହର ହେଉ ସେହି ସହର ବା ମନ୍ଦିରକୁ ପ୍ରବେଶ କରିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଦେଖିବ କିଛି ଲୋକ ଗିନା ଥାଳି ଆଦି ଧରି କିଛି ମାଗୁଥାନ୍ତି, ଟଙ୍କା ମାଗୁଥାନ୍ତି, କିଛି ଖାଇବା ମଧ୍ୟ ମାଗନ୍ତି, ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆମେ ବେଗାର କହିଥାଉ. Sir, the beggar cried out, please take me to the market on your horse. I am lame. The beggar was a lame who wanted to go to the market, so he requested to the young man to go with him. ଭିକାରୀଟି ଜଣେ ଛୋଟ ଥିଲା. ସେ ବେଗାରଟି ବା ସେ ବେଗାର ଜଣକ ଯୁବକ ଜଣକୁ ଜୋରେ କାନ୍ଦିକରି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦୟାକରି ମୋତେ ମାର୍କେଟକୁ ନେଇଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ବୋଲି କହିଲା. The kind young man agreed. The young man who was riding on his horse, he was very kind, so he agreed to take the beggar with him on his horse. ଯୁବକଟି ଅତ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଦୟାଳୁ ଥିଲା, ତେଣୁ ସେ ରାଜି ହେଲା ତା ସହିତ ସେହି ଭିକାରୀଟିକୁ ନେବା ପାଇଁ ତା ଘୋଡ଼ା ଉପରେ ବସିକି. He put the beggar on the horse, then he rode to the town. As the beggar was a lame, the young man who was going to the town put the beggar on the horse. Then they went out to the town. They reached the market. Here the young man and the beggar, ସେଇ ଯୁବକ ଏବଂ ବେଗାର ଦୁହେଁ ମାର୍କେଟରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଲେ. Then the young man said, you can get up here. ତାପରେ after reaching the market, the young man said to the beggar he could get up there. Okay, ମାର୍କେଟରେ ପହଞ୍ଚି ସାରିଲା ପରେ ଯୁବକଟି ଭିକାରୀକୁ କହିଲା ତୁମେ ଏଇଠି ଓହ୍ଲେଇ ପାର. ଗେଟ୍ ଅଫ୍, ପିଲାମାନେ ଗେଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ହେଉଛି ଗୋଟେ ଭେଜାଲ ଭାବ. ଘୋଡ଼ା ଉପରୁ ଓହ୍ଲେଇବା ବା ଅଟୋ ଉପରୁ ଓହ୍ଲେଇବା ଯାହାକୁ ଗେଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ବୋଲି କୁହାଯାଏ. But I do not want to get up. When the young man said to the beggar to get up from his horse, at that time the beggar replied to the young man not to get up. He said, get off my horse, I want to go on. ଭିକାରୀଟି କହିଲା ମୁଁ ଓହ୍ଲାଇବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁନାହିଁ, ତୁମେ ମୋ ଘୋଡ଼ାରେ ଓହ୍ଲେଇ ଯାଅ, ମୁଁ ଆଗକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି. your horse, this is my horse. your horse? The young man was surprised. କାରଣ ଭିକାରୀଟି ଘୋଡ଼ାଟି ନିଜର ଘୋଡ଼ା ବୋଲି କହିଲା. ଯେଉଁ ଯୁବକ ତାକୁ ଘୋଡ଼ାରେ ବସେଇକି ଆଣିଥିଲା ସେଇ ଘୋଡ଼ାଟିକୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଭିକାରୀ କହୁଛି ଘୋଡ଼ାଟି ମୋର. ଏକଥା ଶୁଣିକି ଯୁବକଟି ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହୋଇଗଲା. This is my horse. Once again the beggar said, this is my horse. ଏଇଟା ମୋ ଘୋଡ଼ା. Yours ପୁଣି once again the young man was surprised. ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହେଇଗଲା. Yes, it is mine. ହଁ ଏଇଟା ମୋର. Get off. ଓହ୍ଲେଇ ଯାଅ. Or else ନତୁବା I will take you to the king's officer. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ରାଜାଙ୍କ କର୍ମଚାରୀଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ନେଇଯିବି. All right. ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି. Let's go to him. Okay, students. Today, now we will stop the